Hello everyone, my name is Jagan. Today I am going to talk about the Linux file management commands. We have file management commands to manage the files. So let's see all file management commands one by one. We have basic three commands to manage the file. One is the cat, touch, and vi. Let us uh, let's see one by one in detail. Cat cat command is used to create the file and add the content to the file. Syntax is cat greater than symbol and file. So when you enter the command cat greater than symbol file, then you are allowed to enter the content. Content could be anything. So enter once you enter the content, then you can exit from the file. Only the one key you have only the key combination of keys to exit and save the file is control plus t is to save and exit from the file. That is the syntax. So you have created the content with the cat command, cat greater than file name of the file, and add the content. To exit and to save the content, control plus d. And to view the content, syntax. To view the content, cat file. File name. Okay. So you have the file, but you wanted to see the content of the file. The syntax is cat and file name. And you so you want to you have a file 1 and you have file 2. You want to overwrite the content of file 2 with the file 1. Then what is the syntax? To overwrite the content of the file, syntax cat file 1 greater than symbol file 2. So here, to override the content of the file, we use the cat file 1 greater than symbol file 2. Okay. To append the content, to append the content, to append the content, content of the file to another file. So you have a file, so you want to append the content to the file, then syntax is cat file one greater than two double greater than symbol and file two. So that is about the cat command. So cat command is to create the file and add the content into the file, and to view the content of the file, cat and file name. To override the content of the file, cat file one greater than symbol file two. To add the content, to append the content to the another file, cat file one two double greater than symbols and file two. Let's see it in practical. Let's see it practically. Cat file created with the cat cmd. Okay, sorry, cat greater than symbol file created cat cmd. So you have created the file, and you are now it's asking to enter the content. This is the file created on 7th June. More content can be added to this list. Okay, now we have created the file. Now we have created the file. To save and exit out of the file, press Ctrl plus D. Okay, this. So we have created the file, and we have added the content to the file. Now see the content of the file. So the command is to command is the is cat and file name to view the content cat. Yes. See, we can view the content of the file. Now we have created the file. We have viewed the content of the file. Now let's see how to append the how to override the content to the file. Okay, see, we have a content in the file one. This is the file 1. We need to add a contents file, so we can override the content in this file. So how to override? Cat file created with the now if you see the content of the file, the content has been overwritten. Cat file 1. Yes, see. So we have, and then we'll see the append to the content of the file. We have seen the overwritten of the file. Now we'll see the appending the content to the file. Cat file 2. So here file 2 we have nothing. We have only one line. Let's append the content to this file. Cat file 1 file 2. If you see the content of the file 2, cat file 2, yes, see the content has been appended. So here the if you add one greater than symbol, the content will be appended. If you add two greater than symbols, the content will be overwritten. So you must be careful while adding the greater than symbols. So two greater than symbols is to overwrite, one greater than symbol is to append the content. So this is the cat command. The cat command is to view the content, to create the content, and to overwrite the content, and to append the content to the file. Now let's see the touch command. Touch is used to create the file and update the timestamp of the touch command is to create the file and to update the timestamp of the file. Updating the timestamp of the file is nothing, just if you have the old file, and if you so if you want to update the today's and now time, then you can add the touch and file name, so that the file get updated with the current time and date. Only the two things that touch command can do is to create the file and to update the timestamp of the file. So let's see it in practically. Okay, we have three files: file 1, file 2, and the file created with the cat command. Now touch file with the touch. Okay. Next, see, only the two things that we can do is creating the file and updating the timestamp of file. File is icon file. Okay. See, we have a few files. ls one. Okay. See, here file is created on June 6th, 9:15 file. Now, if you again create the same file with the touch command, the time get updated. Now the time got updated. June 7, 6:43 file. June 6. Earlier it was June 6. Now June 7. So with the touch command, we can create the content. We can create the file, and we can update the timestamp of the file. If the file is exist already, if the file is not exist, then file get created. So that's about the touch command. Now let's see the VI, virtual interface command. VI stands for virtual interface. This is a VI editor. We can also call it as VI editor. This is far more better than the touch and cat commands in terms of managementing the file. You need so you can create the file, you can add the content, you can modify the content, you can replace the content, and we have so many options in a VI editor. Let's see one by one. First, let me explain in detail, then we'll see in practical. So here, so VI file name, the file get created. After creating the file, you get into the file, inside the file, then you can add the content, you can modify the content, you can replace the content. So as soon as you enter the VI in file name, you will get into the file, and after getting into the file, you will have a modes, three modes. One is the command mode, and insert mode, and replacement mode. Command mode, to switch to command mode, we use the key escape. To switch to insert mode, use the letter I. To replace the content, use the letter R. So after you get into the file, so you are in command mode, so you want to insert the content. After entering the content, you want to save the content. To save the content, we use the W. To get out of the file, we use Q, letter Q. So okay, so you have to uh, get into command mode and press the colon and W and Q to save and put the file. So colon WQ is to save and quit the file. So let's see all this with examples. Okay, so we have created the file. We are going to create the file. We are creating the file vi and file name, file with vi. So once I enter, I'm inside the file. So you can add the content to this file. So I'm now adding the content to the file. This is vi editor. It is used to create the file and the content to the file, modify and replace the content of the file. So here we can see how to add the content, and I'll also show you how to open the content. And we have added the content to the file. Now we are in insert mode. So we are in insert mode. So let's switch to command mode. Press the escape key. Now I have the content. I have added the content. So I want to save the content and quit the out of this file. Press the colon. So you can see at the bottom colon and enter the W letter and Q. So this W is to save, Q is to quit. So press enter. Now we are exiting out of the file. Now to view the content, you you can use the cat file with vi. See, this is the content that we have just now added. So with a vi editor, we can add the content, we can modify, and we can replace the content. There are so many options we can do with the vi editor. First, if you want to copy the content, if you want to remove the content, and if you want to look for something in the content. So we have so many options. First, let us see detail. That's about the creating and saving and quitting the file. Now, so we we have options to delete the content. So to delete the content, use dd letters. So to copy the lines, to copy the file lines, use the letter yy. So there are occasions where we need to replace the content. So to replace the content, use %s. Replacing is nothing, just substituting, self substitution. So %s used to substitute the content, and to undo the changes, use the letter u. You may have you are in first line, so you want to delete first 5 files. So how to delete them? So if you so we have option to delete the content is dd. So uh, if you add how many lines of the file you want to delete, you can add that many numbers. So like 5, if you want to delete the file 5 lines of the content, then to delete the particular lines of the file. So for example, I just want to delete the 5 lines of the file, 5dd. So 5dd is deleting 5 lines of the file, first 5 lines of the file, deleting first 5 lines of the file, not deleting first 5 lines of the file wherever the cursor is there. So you are your cursor is in 6th line, so you want to delete the 5 lines. So the files will be deleted from the 6th line 5 lines of the file. I'll show you it in practically. So and to cut the cursor standing line, we use cc. And to copy the to paste, we have already done, right? To paste the copied lines, we use p to paste. P is to paste the copied lines. So we have so many options to copy the file, to delete the file, to delete the content, and to make changes, undo, and to cut the standing line and to paste the copy lines and to replace, to substitute the content. We'll see it practically. So ls vi file with vi. Now we are inside the file. Now we have options like delete the file content and copy the file lines, and to replace the content and replacing the content, and to make the changes, no, undo or substitute and replace, all we can see now. So the first one is copy the content. So you are to copy the content, uh, letter is yy. So how many lines of the, how many lines you want to copy, you enter the digit. Like for example, I want to copy only three, then you can enter 3 letter, digit 3 and yy. So these 3 lines of the file will be copied. So now I am entering 3. Sorry, we are in let's get into the insert mode. So to switch from the command mode to insert mode, press the letter I. So I 3, 3 yy. So here 3 lines are pasted here. So we have copied and we have pasted three 3 is to copy and to paste p. Enter the p. So the whatever the how many lines of file copied will be pasted. So if you want to undo, press u. So you you copied and you want to paste, enter the letter p. The file will be, so content what how many lines will be copied will be pasted here. So this is how uh, copying and uh, placing the content and do undo changes, just like how we do normally. U is to undo, and D is to delete the file, and Y is to copy the file lines, and P is to paste the lines. And uh, so we'll see the how to substitute the content inside the, how to substitute the content of the file. So for that, so to substitute the file, we have a symbols like percentile and s. So percentile is slash what we want to search, and what we want to replace with. So percentile, sorry, is colon. So here I have I have a, I have two file word file. So I want to replace it with files. Okay, so file is what we are going to replace with files. So I'm replacing the letter file with the files. So here, okay, I'll show you the example. I will show you, I'll write the syntax, how to replace the content. This is the how we can replace the content. So press enter. So here we can see that at the bottom, 4 substitutions on 4 lines. Here we can see files. So, and here files. So the file file has been replaced with the files. So this is how we can replace the substitute the content. So, and we want to look for something inside the file. For example, there are so many lines, so we don't know where it is exists. So to locate the particular file, to locate particular word, we have something called location. I mean, we can find the content where it is located. There are so many lengths of the files, so we don't know where it exists. So to locate the file, we use slash. We use the slash and enter the word. What we want to know is to is we can locate the content. So slash. I want to see the files. File. So here it shows the where the lines, wherever it shows the lines. So we have here files, and here files, here files, here files. See, slash files, it shows the files wherever it is located. So slash files is to search from top to bottom. If you want to search the files from the bottom to top, you can use the question mark symbol. So we'll see how to search from the bottom to top. So slash is to search from the top to bottom. The question mark is to search from the bottom to top. We'll see. Question mark files. See, yeah. See, it going from the bottom to top. The question mark and files. If you want to look for something from the bottom to top, the syntax, the command is question mark and name of what you word or whatever term, whatever you wanted to look for in the file. I'll give you an example. I've given you examples. I'll write in a dash command, in a sorry notepad. So we have replaced the content, we have add the content, we have copied, we have seen now we have seen how to copy and how to delete, and how to make changes, undo, and how to substitute from the how to substitute the content, and how to look for look for content or word or term from the top to bottom and from the bottom to top. There are so many there are so many options. So these all are important things in VI editor. Now press colon. So we have made the changes. To save and come out of file, W and Q. Yes. So to search word or string in a file, or question mark. Slash slash is used to look for something from top to bottom. Is used to for something from bottom to top. So here, so if you want to look for something from the top to bottom, use the slash. If you want to look for something from the bottom to top, you can use the question mark. So this is the about the VI editor, and you have created the file. So you want to remove the file. So how to remove the file? How to remove the file? RM R F and file name. So syntax. So syntax is to how to remove the file. R here hyphen R is to remove. R is remove. F is forceful. For example, there may be some restrictions in place for the file, so you are not able to delete the file. So without asking the permissions, without being asked the permission whether to delete the file or not. So if you want to delete the file straight away, the syntax is rm hyphen rf and file name. So we'll see it practically how to delete the file. So now I have created the file with a vi. So I want to remove the file rm hyphen rf file with vi lsc. See, the file has gone. The file got deleted. So that is with the letter F. So without asking, without being asked whether to delete the file or not, permissions. So let's see without adding the F, how to delete the file. rm hyphen r file. Let's see file. Now it asks your permission. See, remove regular file S or no. So you have to enter S and press enter. File got deleted. Ls. See, the file got deleted. So without being asked whether to delete the file or not, we used the letter F. F is to forcefully delete the file. So we have now we have explained. Sorry, we have seen we have seen how to create the file and how to delete the file, how to modify the file inside the VI editor, and we have also seen the touch, how to create the file with the touch command and cat command, how to view the file with the cat command. So this is the file management basic commands. File management basic commands or file management basic commands. So I hope this is very helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Please come and learn so many Linux teachings from this channel. Thank you.